In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play LEGO Star Wars The Skywalker Saga online co-op Steam. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly play LEGO Star Wars The Skywalker Saga online with friends on Steam. Keep in mind that, like most LEGO Star Wars and other LEGO titles, this one does not feature online co-op natively. What this means is that even though you will be able to do online co-op, you will need to use a workaround. So for this workaround, you will need to use Steam Remote Play. Steam Remote Play allows you and a friend to play a game that was intended to be played over local or couch co-op, but you can do it online instead. You will need a great internet connection, so keep that in mind. If you have a slow internet connection, it will be laggy and it won't work properly, but regardless, all that you have to do to try and use Steam Remote Play is first open the game and then press Shift plus Tab to open the Steam overlay. One of you will have to host the game. I recommend whoever has the best PC and connection to do it. So when you open the game, you should see this option on your friends list. When you go to the overlay, invite anyone to play. So you can either click this button here or go over to the Steam Remote Play settings, as you can see highlighted at the bottom. When you choose Steam Remote Play or you click on the banner invite anyone to play, you will now be able to invite players. So just go ahead and invite one other player to play LEGO Star Wars Skywalker Saga with you. They will be able to connect, and something that is very important is that they need to use an additional controller. As long as they have a controller enabled, you will be able to customize it and assign the controller to them. Once they have the controller, just go back inside of LEGO Star Wars Skywalker Saga itself, and your friend can press any button on their controller. Both of you should be connected over remote play, and the game is going to pretend that you guys are doing local co-op, when in actuality, you guys are playing this online. I hope I was able to help you on how to play LEGO Star Wars The Skywalker Saga online co-op Steam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.